Dealing with an HGL file from a plotter or CAD output. This is a vector graphics format tied to HP printing and plotting technology. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through viewing and converting these HP Graphics Language files. For those complex HGL formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. HGL files are vector graphics files using the HP Graphics Language a plotter command format developed by Hewlett-Packard. They contain vector drawing commands including pen movements, line drawing text placement, and fill operations originally designed for HP pen plotters but still used for CAD output and technical drawings. HP Graphics Language HGL files use ASCII text-based plotter commands following the HP-GL and HP-GL2 specifications. Commands control pen selection with SP movement, with PU and PD line drawing with PA and CI for circles. The format supports scaling, windowing, polygon fills, and character plotting operations. The official utility recommended for the HGL file is Autodesk Design Review by Autodesk, Inc. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows cannot fully render scalable features, so editing must happen in vector design software. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your HGL file and choose Open With. Test Autodesk Design Review first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If the HGL file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since the initial fixes failed, we need to treat this as a deep technical challenge. Execute these key tests on common failure points to find where the problem begins. First, viewing HGL files. Open the HGL file in a vector graphics viewer such as CorelDRAW or AB Viewer, which both support HP-GL format import. The viewer renders all vector elements including lines, arcs, text, and filled regions. Use zoom and pan to inspect the technical drawing details at any scale without quality loss. Next, converting to modern formats. Import the HGL file into Inkscape using the HP-GL import plugin, or use AB Viewer to convert it to PDF, DXF, SVG, or other vector formats. Select File, then Save As or Export to choose the target format. This enables editing in modern vector graphics and CAD applications. Finally, printing HGL files. Send the HGL file directly to an HP plotter or compatible large format printer that supports HP-GL commands. Alternatively, convert the file to PDF using AB Viewer or an online HP-GL converter, and print from any standard printer. This approach preserves the vector quality of the original technical drawing. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.